show y'all what I installed this weekend on my bike. The only thing I've actually bought for it so far. See how many nails I can pick up over here. Okay, show off what I added to the bike that's helped a bunch. I've had them on, I installed them Saturday. Put on these Oxford hot hands, is what they call them. It's just heated grips that just wrap around your existing grips with some good strong Velcro. They hadn't budged a bit. I've ridden it I don't know, 150 or so miles, maybe 200 miles with them on there, and I love them so far. I do still need to get something to block the winds off my hands, but these help a whole bunch. I got the hand mittens, but as I got going down the road, the wind was pushing them in enough where it was making my clutch slip, and it was dragging the front brake. So I'm gonna have to get something there to hold them away from my levers. You know, if it was a ADV bike, I'd put some bark busters on there to keep the mitts from hitting my levers, but it's not. So I got some little cheap hand guards ordered from Amazon that's hopefully going to do the trick. If not, you know, I'll figure something out. But love them so far. I think they were 70 bucks. And the base kit, which is what this is, does not have a temperature adjustment, so it's on when the little light's on, and there's off. I got it run straight to my battery. You can run it to keyed hot wire, where when you turn off the key they're off, or you don't run down your battery. I'm not a wiring guy at all, so I ran it straight to the battery. There's where it runs to the battery. Each one has a little connection here, so when it's springtime, or when I don't need these anymore, I just unvelcro them, unplug this, and I'll tuck my wire up in here, and they'll be off of there. So both of them's got this plug in, so when I don't need them, they'll be off of there. I've washed them with it on there, and it didn't affect them at all. So far, real happy with them. $70, and Rusty rode with them Sunday and said he's gonna get him some. He liked them so much, so definitely happy with them. I figured I got a short day at work, ain't running many miles. Got a new boss, so the past few weeks have been slow. She just started the end of last week officially being my boss, so she's gonna get her miles back up. But shoot, I only got probably 5 hours of driving to do tonight, looking at the schedule. So I'll have time to get this video uploaded for Wednesday morning. This is Tuesday. Y'all have a good one. Thanks for checking out the video. Like the video for me and subscribe, and I appreciate it. Later.